Why do you think that English cafe is very different from other institutions? Because I have been the resident of Hazaribagh for 3 years. Okay, and I have learned English from a lot of institutions. But since I joined English cafe, I think that English cafe is very different from others, and I have improved my English also.
Because I'm not good at English.
You're not good at English.
Yes.
May I know your aim, please? What do you want?
HR
to
manager.
You want to become HR manager.
Yes.
Okay, so you want to learn English.
Yes.
Why?
Because communication is skill.
So in HR, English communication should be good.
Yes.
You don't want to get a job in Jharkhand.
Yes.
Why?
I have choose other state
Why have you chosen another state?
because I don't like
You
Jharkhand.
don't like Jharkhand.
Yes.
Despite being the residents of Jharkhand, she's saying that she doesn't want to do work in Jharkhand and she doesn't want to get a job in Jharkhand. Why?
Because I don't like Jharkhand.
You don't like Jharkhand.
Yeah.
So
It is as similar as a station like I belong to India. I don't like it. You work in New York.
No.
so that's why
I like
just-
India. I like India.
You like India.
Yes.
So why don't you like Jharkhand?
Yes. Why do you not like Jharkhand? Because English cafe is situated in Jharkhand.
I know.
So despite knowing that, again you have said that I don't like
Your
Jharkhand.
parents belong to Jharkhand.
क्योंकि हमको यहाँ पे मन नहीं लगता.
आप झारखंड के अलावा कहाँ रहे?
साउथ इंडिया में.
साउथ इंडिया में कहाँ रहे?
एग्जैक्टली त्रिपुर.
सॉरी,
त्रिपुर
पूरा साउथ इंडिया में नहीं.
साउथ इंडिया में आता है ना.
पूरा
त्रिपुर
त्रिपुर which district state?
State.
तमिलनाडु.
Oh,
Yeah.
South. Sir, I think that I should take the review of other person.
South India में आप रहे तो what kind of situations you were facing
Uh,
of language?
language problem.
Did you realize at that time
Yes.
that you should have learned English speaking?
Yes.
So hello everyone, this side Faizan Raza, one of the student of English Cafe. So firstly I should say one thing, that everyone is known by his work, not his name. So हर लोग कोई काम के बारे जानते हैं, कोई नाम से नहीं जाना जाता. So that's why I am also known by my work. So it's time to express that thing. Basically, I have said that I am known by my work. So I might have done something, so that's why I'm known. Actually, I'm a student of Oasis School. Not only I'm a student of Oasis School, but also I am a student of English Cafe. And right now I'm speaking English just because of Tehsin sir, because recently he has made me understand right now basically how to speak English and many more. And since I joined English Cafe, I have improved my English communication skill. And as of now, I have come in Korra branch. And as we know that guys, the English Cafe, the Institute of English Cafe, there are two branches of English Cafe. Very first one is Korra branch and second one is main branch. And I am a student of main branch. And as of now, I have come here to do reporting regarding that why is English more important for us. And right now I can see that there are so many students who have come here, and recently they have got information that English Cafe is such a institution in all over the Jharkhand where you can learn English. And if you come here, I personally believe that your English will be improved. And since I joined English Cafe, my English has been improved. I already said that. Right now I can see there are so many new students who have come here, and I'm going to take their review that why are they willing to learn this language, and why do they think that English is more beneficial for us, and why will English more help them a lot in their aims. So as I can see that there's a girl who seems to be very silent. So ma'am, may I know your name please?
My name is Lovely Kumari.
Lovely Kumari.
Yes.
So, ma'am, so as of now, I have said that there are so many reasons that everyone thinks that if I learn English, English will help me a lot. So, do you think like that?
What?
Okay. Because, ma'am, everyone thinks that if I learn English, English will help me a lot in future and many more. So, do you think like that?
Yes, I think also.
So, as of now, I have said also that most of the person have come here, and you are a new student also.
Yes, I am
So,
a
you
new
have
student.
come here for learning English. So, may I know what is the reason of yours that why have you decided to learn this language?
If, because my English is not so good, that's why I joined English Cafe for improving my English.
Okay. So you want to improve your English.
Yes,
So why are you willing to improve your English?
because we know that English is beneficial for us.
Yes.
That's why I learn English.
Ma'am, first of all, before asking some question, I want to know your aim. So what do you want to become in your life?
I want to be a teacher.
You want to become a teacher.
Yes.
Which subject would you like to teach?
History.
History. So do you think that in history we should learn English? If I don't learn English, I will not be able to teach history. You want to become the teacher of CBSE or Jack medium?
I am in Jack school.
You are in Jack school. So you want to become the teacher of CBSE board
I
or
want
Jack
to
board?
a teacher in CBSE school.
CBSE. Oh, so that's why English is more beneficial for you. Because if you want to become the teacher of English, not only if you want to become the teacher of English, if you want to become the teacher of maths and many more in CBSE, I'm talking about CBSE. So you should have best command in English. If you don't have best command in English, most probably you will not be able to achieve your aim, and most probably you will feel a lot of problem also. So thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your information. So thank you so much. So as of now, I can see that there's a boy who has worn spectacles. So, sir, may I know your name, please?
Thanks, Faiz. This side Pawan Kumar.
My name is not Faz. I'm Fazan. Okay.
This side Pawan Kumar.
Okay, your name is Pawan. So as of now, sir, I have asked question to a girl and she has given answer very well. So it's time I asked you some question. So why have you come here and why do you think that English is more important for us? Why? And what do you think that English will help you a lot in your aim?
Yes. Basically, my school is Hindi medium. So
So you have completed your schooling in Hindi medium.
yes. So I feel English is a very important of our life. This time this time I'm preparing for banking examination.
You are preparing for banking examination.
Yes. So like syllabus, math, reasoning, English. That my math reasoning is good, but English is so problem that and after exam clear after that and GD like interview and interview English and so my English communication week and so
Okay, sir. I have to ask a very similar question. But it is very simple question that why do you think that English cafe is very different from other institutions? Because I have been the resident of Hazaribagh for 3 years. Okay, and I have learned English from a lot of institutions. But since I joined English cafe, I think that English cafe is very different from others, and I have improved my English also. But do you think that English cafe is very different from others?
English cafe is the other institute of the difference because other institute is the not communication skill not perform the stage like syllabus.
Oh, actually, you want to say that in English cafe you get not only you get practical session but also you
yes,
get
communication
theoretical
skill,
session.
reading skill,
Okay.
and speaking English.
So, may I know when did you get admission?
Yes, recently.
Recently, you have got
one week.
Okay. So, do you think that something has been improved in your English?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for giving your time. So, before some time, there was a boy who wore a spectacle. So, again, there is a girl who has worn a spectacle, and I am going to take her review. So, ma'am, may I know your name, please?
Thank you. It's me, Manu Rani.
What?
Manu Rani.
Manu Rani. Okay.
Yeah.
Please.
Okay, ma'am. So, so you seem to be a new student. So, ma'am, I am willing to ask some sorts of questions. So, may I ask?
Sure.
Okay. So, ma'am, basically, firstly, I should know that before asking some sort of question, first of all, I should know that what is the aim of yours? What do you want to achieve in your life?
Thank you. Thank you for this question. Actually, I want to become a teacher, English teacher.
Again, there is a girl who has come here, and she has said that she wants to become teacher. So,
English
what would you like to teach?
English.
English. You want to teach English.
Yeah.
So, as of now, you are the student of graduation. Yeah, you are a student.
Actually, I'm a student of MA.
MA. You are a
I'm
student.
pursuing MA.
Okay. So, when did you complete your graduation?
I had completed my graduation 2022.
2022. Okay, ma'am. So on 2022, you completed your graduation.
Yeah.
Actually, ma'am, I have to ask some sort of question that recently, as of now, I have asked some question. There is a boy and there was a girl, and I asked them some sorts of question also, in which they gave their answer very well, and I haven't seen any answer and I haven't listened any answer yet because they gave their answer very well, and as of now, I have listened also. So it's time I asked you some sorts of question also. So, do you think that English cafe will help you a lot to learn English?
Yeah, exactly.
Why?
Actually, I joined English Cafe recently, before 1 week.
Before 1 week, you got admission in English
Yeah.
cafe. Why? Why did you decide to get admission here only?
Actually, English Cafe provides many skills such like reading, speaking, and reading, speaking, writing
Okay,
skill
ma'am.
also.
Actually, I have a lot of questions regarding English speaking and many more. So, as of now, there are two teachers of English cafe. So, what would you like to say about them? Because I have been this. I already said that I have been the student of English cafe for 2 months, and I have improved my English also. And not only sir has taught me, but also Nancy ma'am has taught me. And actually, Nancy ma'am gave me a formula that is today I'm going to express. I'm going to express, and I have been using it since I joined English cafe. I am used to using it, and sir already made me understand a lot of his structure. So firstly, I want to say them thank you so much, sir, and thank you so much, ma'am, for giving me this knowledge. And if you didn't come in my life, I would not know that how to speak English. So as of now, ma'am, you have said that you want to become teacher and you want to learn English. So far as my information is concerned, so nowadays English is such a language which is being spoken in 14 countries only. So do you think that English will help you a lot and it will be very beneficial for you in your future?
Yeah.
Why?
Actually, I have completed my matriculation in a rural area, and there are I face many difficulties, such like I don't communicate in a proper way to anyone, and I have completed my graduation from English literature. So when I become a teacher, so I will improve my English. So I joined English Cafe.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. May you achieve your goal, and I think that you will become the best teacher. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.